Hi there, my beautiful Cancer friends, souls, peoples, not peoples. So happy that you've joined me on this beautiful full moon for your reading. So I'm sorry I've already meditated, but the last reading was a little heavy. So yeah. Already kind of feeling your energy, Cancers. This is a full moon. It's pretty big for you guys. I hope you had a chance to get outside and take a look at our beautiful Mother Moon in her new gown 2020. For those of you who are brand new, my name is Becca. In your recent past, we had the 10 of Pentacles. In your present situation, we have the 3 of Swords. What is the blockage? We have the 5 of Pentacles and the 6 of Wands. What is the message from Spirit? What is the message from Spirit? The Knight of Pentacles. I just heard hang in there. What is the potential outcome? Whoops. The Emperor. Just want to make sure all of those are on there. There we go. All right. The overall energy is the 10 of Swords. Okay. 2 10s. Some of you have something has ended and it hurt a lot. Could have had to do with a family situation in the past, and you're still grieving that. You're still dealing with the heartache. Your blockage is feeling left out, and I feel like it's almost like you want to return home victorious. Your message from Spirit here says a lot about just setting a pace, getting your goals in mind, and kind of putting your nose to the grindstone, right? Because that's what the Knight of Pentacles does, right? He does what he has to do day in, day out, sure but steady. For some of you, I also heard pay attention to your habits. And your potential outcome is the Emperor card. So this could potentially talk about taking control of the situation. Sorry, I need some water. And making decisions that are overall in the best interest of everyone involved, right? The Emperor has everything he needs. You can also talk about being at a point where you can delegate. I don't know who that's for. Being to a point where you can delegate. All right, so let's look at this 10 of Pentacles. Please clarify the 10 of Pentacles. We have the 6 of Wands. Please clarify the 10 of Pentacles. The King of Swords. Please clarify the Ten of Pentacles. And the King of Wands. At the bottom of the deck, we have the Four of Pentacles in reverse. So when it comes to this home situation, I can say that at least as far as energy goes, there's too much masculine energy. We have Earth energy, we have Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. For me, the King of Swords talks about Aquarius, could be anybody. We have the King of Wands, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. For me, King of Wands is Leo. So, personally as a reader, what the Six of Wands talks about a victory. I feel a family divided here. And I feel it was divided over someone has a great lawyer. That's kind of like, I keep picking that up off of the King of Swords. But for those of you where it's not that specific, it really talks about there being too much masculine energy, and that has made things out of balance. Something has been brought to light and made very public. And it undid something of a legacy. Okay, let's look at this Three of Swords. Please clarify the Three of Swords. The Princess of Cups. Please clarify the Three of Swords. The Two of Wands in reverse and the Hierophant in reverse. So yeah, I mean, at the bottom of the deck we have the Devil card. This betrayal has ended a family situation, and the feelings that like, I still feel like this is relatively young. This is still relatively new. Fresh. It's still very fresh. But some structure has come undone, and it's so the Devil card. The Devil card is the flip side of the coin to the Lover's card. The Lover's card usually has an angel here and two naked people, and here it's the devil and two naked people, and they're chained together. It's also the Lover's card is a 6, and the Devil card is a 15, which breaks down to a 6. So the point of that is that there are two sides to, there is duality to everything in this universe. There's love, hate, light, dark, all of that. But what it always equals is one strong emotion is a strong emotion. Is it love? Is it hate? It doesn't really matter at the end of the day, because either way, this has hurt. And even if it started as love and now has become hate, it shouldn't drive the type of overkill that I'm seeing in the Ten of Pentacles. But our job is to learn to forgive ourselves and to forgive other people. And I'm sorry about that dissertation for those of you who just wanted a card reading. But betrayal hurts. Working through it takes time. And no matter where you are in that process, it's either a lesson or a blessing, right? And being able to say thank you for it eventually negates the whole thing. Okay? Our mistakes are one of our best gifts, otherwise we would never learn. Your blockage is the Five of Pentacles and the Six of Wands. And like I said, I feel like this is someone who wants to return. There's that Lover's card. Please clarify the blockage of the Five of Pentacles and the Six of Wands. This is a decision. This is a huge decision. But like I said, some of you just want to return victorious. There's some emotional immaturity involved in it. The High Priestess and the Star card. At the bottom of the deck, we have the Nine of Pentacles in reverse. So this is a codependent energy. The Nine of Pentacles in reverse. I feel like some of you know that this is your blockage. Like that High Priestess, that inner wisdom is talking to you and telling you where to go and what your divine guidance is. And some of you really feel like your ego feels like it needs to return because of status or what's it called? You know, the keeping up with the Joneses thing, because you don't want to change. But you have a deeper understanding that that's not who, what, and how you're supposed to be. Let's look at this Knight of Pentacles. Please clarify the Knight of Pentacles. Please clarify the Knight of Pentacles. The Fool in reverse. Please clarify. Thank you. The Three of Swords and the Ace of Cups in reverse. Work through your pain. Not work, like actual work. Take it step by step. Feel it. Do it on your own. And work towards self-love. Work towards self-love. At the bottom of the deck, we have the Empress, right? She is the bomb. She's the shit. This is what we all are when we fill ourselves up with that love and we understand that our true worth, right? Some of you are lacking that. And that's actually the cause of the heartache. Material things aren't going to make you more worthy. This is also the Empress, and only an Empress can marry an emperor, right? Or be with an emperor. It's also balance between feminine and masculine. All right, let's clarify this Emperor, shall we? Please clarify. Thank you. We have the World in reverse, the Four of Cups in the reverse, and the Seven of Swords in reverse. The bottom of the deck, we have the Wheel of Fortune in reverse. There's a strategy here. And there's a rejection. You're very close to the end of the cycle. It's just a matter of seeing your own self-worth, and you'll get there. You have to move through this energy as it presents itself to you. Once you understand that you can apologize and you can accept an apology, and that you don't have to take someone back, that you can reconcile without taking someone back, then you will have a better understanding of things, a better understanding of yourself, a better understanding of the universe. And this is saying that I'm also getting that someone might try to come back in the future and revisit the scene of this crime and try to reopen the cycle. And you're going to need the strength. You're going to need strength. And you're going to need to be able to make a decision where you're standing in your strength, that's in the best interest of all, for the highest good of all involved. Sorry, took me way too many words and pauses to express that. Sorry. Okay, so this is the Spirit Animal Oracle deck. I'm going to pull you one card, a lovely Cancer. This is the final message for Cancer. We have Lizard spirit. Dream the world into being. I don't know if you guys can see those. There we go. That's better. Still trying to figure out exactly how close I need to be. And this is the Mystical Shaman Oracle deck. What is the final message for my lovely Cancers? What is the final message for my lovely Cancers on this amazing full moon? So an eclipse tonight. I don't know exactly what it's called, but it's not a full eclipse. It's like a shadow eclipse. All right, so we have number 38, the Lizard Spirit, which breaks down to an 11, which you don't normally break down master numbers, but that breaks down to a 2. And then we have number 18, the Earth Keeper. All right, we'll look at the Lizard Spirit. Dream the world into being. Dream the world into being. When was the last time you basked in the sun and allowed yourself to daydream, to imagine what might be and who you might become? Lizard spirit appears when you are called to let your imagination flow and dream something new. Inspiration is available to you now if you are willing to slow down and let your eyes close a little, allowing ideas to dance in your head. What might come into being if you were to pursue your dream? How might you grow and expand if you allowed yourself to dare to believe in the impossible, making it possible first in your dreaming mind and then in the world as you co-create with spirit? Give in to the power of imagination and soon your dream will become clearer. The steps will reveal themselves and what was ephemeral will begin to coalesce into form. Dream it and be it. Spirit asks you to dare to dream big. Protection message. Have you been allowing your imagination to run amok and dream up a nightmare that seems to have come true? Fear not, for whatever dreaming you did in the past can change today as you dream anew. Wake up from the perception that everything is wrong. Lizard Spirit asks you to open your eyes and consciously dream a better dream. What would it look like to already have what you desire and be the one you wish to be? How might it feel to work toward co-creating this new dream as a reality in the world of the senses, drawing it out of the world of dreams and building it in the world of form? Trust in your ability to dream anew. Honor it today. It's very lovely. Very, very lovely. Let's see. Now we have number 18. The Earth Keeper. Just as you're involved in co-creating your world, you're also responsible for its well-being. The Earth Keepers are dedicated to the stewardship of the earth and all life. They choose to hold the sacred dream of a planet where all beings live in peace and where the rivers and the air are clean. Remember that everything you do has an impact for 7 generations. The Invitation. You have outgrown your small dream of success and achievement and are ready to dream big, with possibilities beyond your wildest expectations. Take on the mantle of the Earth Keeper and reach out to a friend in need whom you may not have been in touch with for some time. Take care of your pets and feed the strays that come by. Clean up your yard, as this is a reflection of your relationship to the earth. Grow the sacred dream, and your personal life will flourish. Remember, it's not about me any longer. the medicine. As you care for your body, you show your care for Mother Earth. So begin with the stewardship of your health. What are you putting in your mouth? Are you feeding on foods and thoughts that are not good for you? Start doing what you know will be good for you today. Start doing what you know will be good for you today. It's a lovely message. Well, I hope you have a good night and this reading has helped you. If it has, please hit the like and subscribe button. And remember, I love you. Bye-bye.